Here's a very quick and easy solution to add an eye shield to your face mask. You can remove the shield easily so you can wash your mask and shield separately. You just need some velcro coins or tape and a transparent sheet. I added 4 coins on the inside of my mask, and I'm using the soft side of these coins on the inside of my mask, so you can comfortably wear this face mask without the eye shield. Now take a transparent sheet and cut out a rectangle 3.5 inch high and use the width of your mask. My mask is 7 inch and a half wide. I'm going to put this red sheet underneath, if not, you don't see my eye shield. Now glue the rough parts of the hook and loop coins to the eye shield and make sure that they match up with the soft part you added to the face mask interior. If you want, you can stop here. The mask is ready, the eye shield is ready. But I like to sew the coins onto the fabric because I think with all the washing, the glue might not withstand. Just sew a little cross onto each coin and by going back and forth, and you can do the same on the shield if you want. And that's all there is to it. Attach the shield whenever you like and remove it when you don't think it's necessary. Bye!